I'm deeply touched by this honor. I've had difficulty finding the words to express how I really feel, but as I've been thinking back over the last 40 plus years that I've worked in occupational health and safety, the focus has always been on people. It is what it's all about. It's about people, about the people that we serve, and about the people who daily go out there to make a difference in the lives of others in our workplaces. I want to thank each and every one of you for what you do. I want to thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey, to walk alongside of you and to grow with you. And I want to thank you all for the lifelong friendships that have developed as a result of our shared values and our passion for the work that we do. You know, in 1903, Theodore Roosevelt said that the best prize that life offers is the opportunity to work hard at work worth doing. And I've certainly had that. I want to thank all of you who have given me the support and the opportunity to work hard at work worth doing. And to my husband and my family, who have given so much, I offer my love and my thanks.